Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is currently pushing. It looks like Vitalik himself went long today. We're approaching that $4,100 area. Nearly there, right? We're nearly there. We're currently trading around $3,740. And as I said, I would never try to fight a trend in a third wave. I recall just few days ago, 1 to 2 weeks ago, someone said, because of the price forecast I made, $4,100 next, that I was already falling victim to the FOMO, to the emotions. But no, I mean, I'm just reading structure. So when we know that a third wave is likely unfolding, we expect extensions. In addition to that, the 100% extension target based on the initial A wave to the upside points towards 4,400. And again, that's not a maximum target, but 4,100 is obviously a clear, strong resistance level. Yeah, a very clear resistance level. And the $4,100 level is just next key resistance. And therefore, I would expect the price to test that level next. But when it does that, there's a good chance of breaking through, not just because the market is currently pushing and everybody's bullish, at least those who are following the market. No, but because of market, the projections point towards a break of 4,400. So we'll see if that actually happens. 4,100 should be tested next. I shared earlier today in one of the member updates that Ethereum is approaching next resistance, but it's not a meaningful resistance level, right? $3,750, and we're testing that right now. So we're currently at just below that level. So it's this previous swing high essentially, but I said it's not that meaningful, that resistance level. Yeah, it's not a major swing high or anything. Okay, it's just we had just had 2 swing highs here in that area. So nothing major. We'll see if the price gets above that level. I continue to focus on higher prices for now. Some people have already called the top. I find that way too early because the momentum is still up. Of course, it could be the blue scenario, but as I said, it's not preferred. The momentum is up, right? Blue count is a bearish alternative. But the thing is, it doesn't kind of line up with the blue count. So I've seen some counts like that suggesting this could be a B wave rally, and I've got it as well, and it's possible. But please note that the 100% extension points towards a new high. So it doesn't make so much sense, this AB idea, right? But we need a bearish alternative. What happens if we break support? So you want to have a plan, right? But for now, the focus is on higher prices, and the move to the upside kind of does look incomplete as well. So we'll now take a look at the smaller time frame ETH short-term chart. And here you can see that the market is on its way higher. It's now testing this resistance level, and it doesn't really look finished yet. So the wave count itself remains pretty much unchanged. I've just adjusted micro support a little bit today, which is between $3,053 and $3,411 now. We can remove those levels below. We don't really need them. And my view remains that we have not finished this uptrend, and we should move towards 4,100 next. Whether that's in a very direct fashion or after a fourth wave pullback and then higher, we'll see. I mean, maybe we get there, then form the wave 4 pullback, then go higher, and then we could still grind higher afterwards. I mean, as long as we're holding support, the focus is on higher. And if we zoom in a little bit further, and I'm already maxing out wave degrees here, but it doesn't really look finished yet. It's a 3-wave move up at the moment. This is support. The question is always, what would be the first signal that tells us that circle wave 4 might have started? Again, I mean, this here even looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we might get one more higher low. So micro support is here. This is, again, just weak micro support. It's so tight that it can easily get broken briefly, but it's not about a brief break. So a sustained break is needed to suggest circle wave 4 has started. Against 3,646, we might even see more direct upside from here. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. Check it out. Today we also have our MCO member live stream run at 5 p.m. UTC. I guess it will be very busy with the market moving like that. So I'll keep you updated there as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.